Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says which contains both polar and non-polar bonds. There are few molecules which is having both the polar and non-polar bonds. So let's find it out. In case of ammonium chloride, it is made up of ammonium ion and chloride ion. So the bond is purely ionic and it is polar. And in case of ammonium ion, it is made up of NH bond. So this is also containing polar bond. So in this case, all the bonds are polar. In case of hydrogen cyanide, the structure is H single bond C and triple bond N. In this case also there is electronegative difference between carbon nitrogen and carbon hydrogen. So the bond is polar. Here the bond are polar. In case of methane, it has a tetrahedral structure and the carbon hydrogen bonds are there, and due to the electronegativity difference between carbon and hydrogen, all the bonds are polar. But in case of hydrogen peroxide, if you see the structure, this is the structure of hydrogen peroxide, in which the bond between oxygen and hydrogen is polar, and the bond between oxygen and oxygen is non-polar because it is made up of same element, and if you can say there is no electronegativity difference. So it contains both polar and non-polar bond. So the option is hydrogen peroxide and the correct option is C. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.